Hi friends, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Friends, in our last session we have seen an example regarding how to find the cube of a given 4-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra when the base is 4000. And now in this session we are going to have one more example regarding how to find the cube of a given 4-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra. So why to wait? Let us see what that example is. The example that I am going to take in this session is find the cube of 5001. So friends, in order to find the cube of 5001, we do have some parts of procedures that we have to follow. So the first part of procedure, what we have to do here is the left part. So here in the left part, the first step what we have to do is we have to find the nearest base of the given number 5001. So here the nearest base is 5000. After finding the nearest base, now we have to find the excess. So here the excess is 1. I think you know that how to find the excess. So the excess is found out by comparing the given number, that is 5001, with the base 5000. So if we compare these two numbers, we get an excess of 1, and this is the actual excess what we have to take here. After finding the excess and moving to the step number 3, here we have to multiply the excess with 3. So therefore by multiplying 3 into 1, we get 3 as the product. And moving to step number 4, we have to add the product what we have got to the base. So therefore by adding 5000 with 3, we get 5003 as the answer, and this 5003 is regarded as the required left part. After finding the left part and moving to the next part, that is to the middle part, the first step what we have to do here is we have to take the answer what we have got in left part, and we have to find the nearest base and also the excess. So friends, here the nearest base of 5003 is 5000 and the excess is 3. So friends, I think you know that the excess is found out by comparing these two numbers, that is 5003 and the base 5000. So if we compare these two numbers, we get an excess of 3, and this is taken over here. And now moving to step number 2, what we have to do here is we have to multiply the actual excess and with the new excess what we have got. So here the actual excess is 1 and the new excess what we have got is 3. So therefore by multiplying 3 into 1, we get 3 again, and this 3 is taken as the required middle part. After finding the middle part and now moving to the next part of procedure, that is to the right part, the first step what we have to do here is we have to cube the actual excess what we have got. So by cubing the number 1, we get 1 as the answer itself. So therefore this 1 is regarded as the required right part. So friends, now we have found the left part, the middle part and the right part. Now after finding all the parts, here the base what we have taken is 5000, and by ignoring the zeros, we have to multiply the left part with the square of the number, that is 5 square, and the middle part with the number itself, that is with 5. So therefore the left part what we are going to get here is 5003 into 5 square, which is equals to 5003 into 25. We get 125,075. After finding the left part and moving to the middle part, here we have to multiply 3 with 5. We get 15 as the answer. Now after finding all the parts, that is the left part, the middle part and the right part, we have to write all these parts in an order like this. After writing this in an order, now let us place some horizontal and vertical bars like this. So friends, I think you know that the base what we have taken here is 5000, and in the number 5000 you can observe 3 zeros. Therefore we have to take only 3 digits in right part and in the middle part, whereas in the left part we can have as many digits as we want. So friends, now coming to the right part, here we are having only 1 digit, that is 1. We don't have 3 digits here. So now what I am going to do here is I am going to place 2 zeros in front of the number 1 so that the value of 1 is not going to change, and I am going to write these 2 zeros with 1 along in the answer below the horizontal bar like this, that is 001. And now moving to the middle part, here I am having only 2 digits, that is 1 5, that is 50. So without changing its value, I am going to put one more 0 in front of the number 50, that is 015, and I am going to write 15 along with 0 below the horizontal bar in the answer like this. And now moving to the left part, here we can have as many digits as we want. So therefore I am writing the number 125,075 as it is in the answer below the horizontal bar like this. And now let us place one more horizontal bar below it, and therefore by combining the left part, the middle part and the right part, we get the required answer, that is 125,075,015,001, and therefore we can say that 5001 cube is equals to 125,075,015,001. So friends, this is the way how we can use Yavadunam Sutra in finding the cube of a 4-digit number when the base is 5000. So friends, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Yavadunam Sutra. And in the next session, we are going to have the last example in finding the cube of a given 4-digit number by using Yavadunam Sutra. Now for watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.